Welcome to Best RV channel. Nala Mari from Best RV in Torla, California. Today, what's behind me? It's a beautiful 2025 Forest River Surveyor 235 front kitchen. It's a new floor plan. It's a 23 feet travel trailers with a beautiful kitchen in the front, a theater seating facing, a huge counter space with a 2-bar stool, TV, and a fireplace. And there's a bathroom in the middle as well. In the rear, you have a full walk around queen bed with their entry doors. This is a beautiful unit. You should see it. Now, let me show you the major features about the Surveyor 235 front kitchen. Number one, automotive front window in the front. So when you're standing in the front kitchen, you could see a nice view from your travel trailers. We have pass-through storage in the front with aluminum frame and a light. So you have a storage here. So you could access it from all the front is the full storage. You could access it from inside as well outside. As you see here, we have a big power awning cover majority of the travel trailers, cover the both entry door and the outdoor kitchen. We have a beautiful outdoor kitchen with the sink. We have a outside shower with hot and cold, so you could rinse your stuff while you're cooking outside. You have 18-inch gas grill, refrigerators for your beer. Perfect. Beer, you wash, cook, eat, enjoy the outdoor. This floor plan, what I really like about it is you have entry door, especially for the queen bedroom in the back. So if you're an early person, you want to wake up in the morning and hit the outside so you don't have to disturb anybody, you could do that. Look how big this storage. As you see, full pass-through storage. You could access from this door to the other side of the door. As typical Surveyor, they give me backup camera prep, leopard expandable ladder, spare tire and a cover, a receiver underneath it for bike rack or um, cargo trailer, cargo flatbed tray. And you have pass-through storage, all the hookup right here for the water and the power cord, sensor lights. When you middle of the night, you try to hook up your black and gray, you could access it. Slide out with lights on it. Endless hot water heater, the best one. Continuous hot water heaters, no problem. Let's go check inside the beautiful 235 FKLE, which is mean front kitchen LE is limited. I'm walking from the entry door. I'm facing a beautiful, I really like it. It looked like a sofa, 3-seat sofa, but at the same time, it's actually a theater seater with a middle console. A really comfy theater seater. I mean, physically, if you come over here and sit on them, there's a nice 2 cup holders, all the USB plug, 110, and it's perfect. You sit, you have eating table or eating tray, or I call them the laptop tray. You put your laptop, you plug it in here. Facing you, a beautiful 32-inch smart TV with a fireplace and a stereo system, speakers inside, speakers outside. So I could sit here, play, and then if I'm tired, I could kick my feet and go back. Oh my God, I'm ready to sleep. You see how beautiful it is? Or you just have a nice cup, you drink your favorite drink, watch a TV, watch a movie. Perfect. Perfect floor plan. Very roomy. Also, if these trays you don't like them, they are removable. You could take them off. But a lot of people love this features. So 2 theater seating facing the entry door, facing the theater seating facing the TV, and the nice mintle fireplace mintle with a fireplace, central vac with a dust bus. You could get all the dust inside. Stereo with the speakers inside, outside. Facing us, a beautiful high bar stool with nice, beautiful LED light underneath. Where's my food? Who is gonna serve me food? Perfect. You could put food here in case if somebody want to come into your trailers and use it as a buffet counter. You could sit 2 people here and eat, you and the wife, or 2 kids here, you and the wife with eating tray. Amazing. Look how beautiful the kitchen. Look huge. Look how huge the counter space on the left side of the sink and the right side of the sink. Cutting board and sink cover give you more counters. You have those pop-up where you have 110 plug, USB plugs, both side, coffee maker, toasters, beautiful window in the front so you could see a nice view, a window behind the stove. Love this LED light on those 3 burner range oven, stove, and an oven. Voila, right there. Amazing, amazing. A prepping area on the right, on the left of the stove, on the right, and the left of the kitchen. A lot of tinsel doors, 3 here. And I don't know what you're gonna put here. There's a lot of places. You could put all your cooking pans. This whole of it is storage. And then in the top of that, you're forgetting all this front storage. Oh, voila. Look how beautiful this is. All this front storage with the shocks. So they don't open when you're traveling. Beautiful microwave, lights, another cabinet. And then you have the 10.7 cubic foot 12-volt refrigerators, run off 12 volt, come with the solar, so no issue. And then you tell me I need my pantry. Voila! Look how big this pantry. I mean, I thought I put a dead body here. A lot of storage with the net and hanging on this beautiful pantry. It's residential pantry, as you see, with the sensor lights. And walking from here, I walk straight. I have a beautiful queen size bed with the storage on both sides, hanging clothes here, hanging clothes there, more storage on the top, storage underneath, and 4 doors. So for socks, pillows, you see as soon as you open it, there's a sensor light, so you don't see things at the dark. And if you're an early person, you just walk in from that door. And also it's already prepped, and I could put a TV here, come with a pocket door here as well, pocket door there. And from the queen size bedroom, I could come here, a beautiful one standing shower, very roomy for elbow, as you see, height, enclosure. I could use it as a dress up room, place for towels, towels rack, porcelain toilet, as you see, nice medicine cabinet with a sink and more rooms. This is the 235 front kitchen LE. Half-ton towable. Any SUV, any small truck, any half-ton truck, they could pull this unit, no problem. Aluminum frame. We have the best deal, the best prices, the best RV. Coming in and see the beautiful Surveyor 235 front kitchen. Isn't it roomy? 24 feet. Look how roomy and have everything you ask for. Coming in.